They might not be the flashiest upgrade for your vehicle, but roof racks are one of the most practical additions you can make, especially if you bike, ski, paddle, or just need extra room for weekend gear. The right rack depends on what you carry, what you drive, and how often you use it. In this video, we're ranking the 6 best roof racks for 2025 based on build quality, ease of installation, and day-to-day performance. Whether you're hauling bikes, skis, kayaks, or cargo, there's an option here for you. Product links are in the description below. Number 6. Yakima SkyBox NX 18. If you've ever packed a car to the brim for a road trip, you already know the value of extra space. The Yakima SkyBox NX 18 gives you just that, with 18 cubic feet of rooftop storage designed to handle everything from duffel bags to skis. It's a solid pick for families, long-distance travelers, or anyone needing room without sacrificing interior comfort. The SkyBox NX 18 opens from both sides, which makes loading and unloading quick no matter where you're parked. It also comes with an integrated SKS, same key system, lock, so you can secure the lid and your gear with one key. Inside, there's enough length to fit skis or snowboards up to 215 millimeters. Build-wise, it's made from 80% recycled ABS plastic. The material is durable and holds up well in various climates, while the aerodynamic profile helps cut down on wind noise. A matte black finish keeps it looking understated and clean on top of most vehicles. Installing the SkyBox is straightforward thanks to its tool-free mounting system that clamps easily onto most factory or aftermarket crossbars. Lid stiffeners help it open smoothly and keep it from flexing when you're loading gear. There are a couple of minor trade-offs. You'll need to lift items fairly high to get them in, especially on taller vehicles. And like all rooftop boxes, you may notice a bit of added wind drag and fuel impact. Still, if your priority is adding secure, weather-protected space for bulky items, the SkyBox NX 18 does it without making your car feel cramped. That practicality earns it a spot on this list. Number 5. Thule UpRide Roof Bike Rack. If you ride a carbon-framed bike or just want a rack that doesn't touch the frame at all, the Thule UpRide is a smart pick. This upright roof bike mount secures your bike by the wheels only, completely avoiding contact with the frame, ideal for delicate finishes or high-end models. It's especially useful for commuters, urban cyclists, or anyone who regularly loads and unloads their bike. The front wheel clamping system is tool-free and easy to use. You simply roll the bike into place, lock the arm over the front tire, and strap the rear wheel down. It fits wheel sizes from 20 to 29 inches and tire widths up to 3 inches, though fat tires will need a separate adapter. The UpRide's design is built around lightweight aluminum, which keeps things durable without adding bulk to your crossbars. An integrated lock secures both the bike and the rack to your car. No need for extra cables or chains. Usability is one of its strongest points. Loading is straightforward, and the system works with through axles, standard forks, and disc brakes without needing to remove any wheels. If you're tired of lifting your bike into awkward tray mounts or fumbling with frame clamps, this rack is a relief. There are a couple of trade-offs. The rack is slightly bulky for lower vehicles and isn't compatible with fat tires out of the box. Still, for everyday riders and serious cyclists alike, the Thule UpRide offers a secure, frame-free hold that protects your bike and installs with little effort. That combination makes it one of the most dependable options out there. Number 4. Arksen Universal Roof Rack. For those who haul oversized gear, pack for multi-day trips, or head off-road, a platform-style roof rack can make a huge difference. The Arksen Universal Roof Rack is a steel mesh basket-style carrier built to handle heavier loads and bulkier cargo. It's ideal for campers, overlanders, or anyone who needs rugged rooftop storage without the cost of more premium systems. Its frame is made from powder-coated steel, designed to resist rust and corrosion even after prolonged outdoor exposure. With a 150-pound weight capacity and a mesh bottom that supports a variety of gear, it holds everything from coolers to firewood to oversized bags. The included wind fairing helps reduce road noise and wind drag while improving aerodynamics just a bit. Design-wise, as a wide steel tubing structure with raised side rails that keep your gear from shifting in transit, it also features multiple tie-down points along the frame, which helps secure awkwardly shaped loads. The Arksen is built for versatility. It's a universal fit for most crossbars and installs with a standard set of tools which are included. The rack ships in pieces, so assembly is required, but the process is relatively straightforward. Keep in mind that the added height can affect garage clearance and fuel efficiency. And like many modular racks, bolts may need periodic retightening with regular use. Still, this platform rack delivers serious utility at a budget-friendly price. Its durability, gear capacity, and tie-down flexibility make it a go-to solution for heavy packers and off-road adventures. which is why it earns a solid spot in our top 6. Number 3. Yakima FreshTrack Ski and Snowboard Mount. If your weekends revolve around fresh powder and mountain drives, the Yakima FreshTrack is the kind of rack that makes life easier. Designed specifically for skis and snowboards, this roof-mounted carrier keeps your winter gear secure and accessible without overcomplicating things. It's built to hold up to 4 pairs of skis or 2 snowboards, making it a great option for couples, families, or small groups. Installation is simple with its tool-free clamp system, and it mounts to most roof crossbars, including round, square, and aerodynamic designs. Even better, the release button is glove-friendly, so you're not fumbling with bare fingers in freezing temps. The build quality feels solid. It uses aluminum arms with a rubberized interior grip, so your equipment stays put without getting scratched. Integrated locks keep everything secure while you're off the mountain. And thanks to its aerodynamic shape, it adds minimal noise and drag when mounted. With its low-profile design, you won't have to worry as much about garage clearance, and the quick-release lever makes unloading fast after a long day on the slopes. A few things to keep in mind: it's best suited for skis that are less than 115 millimeters at the tips. Anything wider might be a tight fit. You may also notice a bit of wind whistle at highway speeds, though that's not uncommon with rooftop racks. Overall, the FreshTrack hits that balance of form and function. It doesn't try to be flashy, it just works. That reliability, paired with an easy-to-use design, makes it one of the most convenient ski and snowboard racks available right now. Number 2. Leader Accessories Folding Kayak Rack. Transporting a kayak doesn't need to be complicated, and the Leader Accessories Folding Kayak Rack proves it. Designed in the classic G-style cradle format, this rack offers a simple, foldable solution for kayakers, paddleboarders, and weekend adventurers looking for easy rooftop storage without overspending. The cradles are designed to hold a single kayak up to 100 pounds, securely positioned at an angle to save space. When you're not using it, the arms fold down flat, which helps with garage clearance and improves aerodynamics while driving. It also includes 2 ratchet straps and bow-stern tie-downs, so you have everything you need right out of the box. Construction-wise, it's built from a steel tube frame with a rust-resistant coating that holds up well in wet conditions. Foam padding helps protect your kayak's finish, and the base has a rubber layer that prevents scuffing your crossbars. In terms of fit, this rack is compatible with most factory and aftermarket crossbars. The foldable arms are spring-loaded and click securely into place, and installation doesn't require any tools. Just tighten the hand knobs and you're good to go. One thing to note: loading a kayak onto a roof rack typically requires 2 people, especially on taller vehicles. Also, over time, the foam padding may compress, especially if you're frequently hauling heavy boats. Still, for a folding kayak carrier at this price point, the Leader Accessories rack delivers solid value. It's compact, durable, and easy to store when not in use, making it a great option for anyone hauling watercraft without needing a permanent or oversized setup. Number 1. Yakima High Road Upright Bike Carrier. At the top of our list is the Yakima High Road, a premium upright bike carrier that skips the frame contact entirely. It's a standout option for serious cyclists, travelers, and anyone with a high-end bike they'd rather not clamp directly. The High Road secures your bike using a front wheel hoop and a torque-limiting knob, which holds the front tire in place without touching the frame. That means no risk of scratches, pressure marks, or damaged finishes. It supports bikes up to 45 pounds and tires up to 4 inches wide, with no wheel removal required. Built with a sleek, low-profile design, the rack doesn't add much height and blends in well with most vehicles. It features an integrated cable lock for added security and a tool-free clamp design that installs quickly on most roof rack systems, whether round, square, or aerodynamic bars. Loading is faster than you might expect. The front wheel cradle flips up easily, and the rear wheel secures with a ratcheting strap. You don't need to remove wheels or mess with axles. And the design makes it easier to lift the bike into place without raising it too high. The only real drawbacks are price. It's more expensive than average, and the fact that loading the bike in the center of your roof may require reaching across, especially on taller vehicles. Still, the Yakima High Road earns its spot at number 1 for offering secure, frame-free bike transport and a straightforward, reliable package. For riders who value bike protection and ease of use, it's hard to find anything better on the market right now. That wraps up our list of the best roof racks for 2025. Whether you're hauling bikes, skis, kayaks, or cargo, there's a reliable option here to fit your setup and routine. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing so you don't miss future gear roundups. Got a favorite rack or a question about one we covered? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.